Hello, and welcome to the Request for Proposal generator for healthcare software and application development designed by the team at Sprintera. This tool allows healthcare organizations to easily submit a request for a proposal to get an estimate of a customized solution or project that you have in mind. I'll quickly walk through how to generate a request for proposal using our tool. So first, title your project, add your estimated budget, and projected timeline that you'd like to see it completed. You can then scroll through and select some of the many features that we have listed here, or you can select other to add your own features that may not be listed. You can then select things like different software integrations you'd like to see included, other compliance or regulation features that you'd like added, who will be using the platform, where it will be hosted, and any other supported environments that you'd like to see. Once you're finished, click Generate Request for Proposal, where you'll then see a summary of all of the features that you have selected. From here, you can either print or save a PDF version of the RFP that you can then submit to another vendor for an estimate for your project, or add your contact information and any comments that you have to get a free estimate from the team at Sprintera. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and we'd be happy to help in any way we can. Take care and have a great day.